Alright guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can withdraw money from DraftKings. So here are a few easy steps that you have to follow in order to withdraw your balance. So how to withdraw funds from a DraftKings app. First, you will need to log into your DraftKings app, obviously. Then you will tap on your profile photo in the top left corner. So it should be right here. Then we just gotta scroll down and tap withdraw. On the withdraw funds page, we want to enter an amount for how much do you want to withdraw. Then we will select continue. Then we want to choose how would you like to receive your funds, and we tap on request withdrawal. So here we click on our profile icon, then we select withdraw, and here you will select the currency that you want to withdraw and type it out and the method of withdrawal. Then you will request the withdrawal for the amount that you have just set and confirm it. Now here you will be able to see your processing time and the status of your withdrawal, and after it's completed then you will have your money. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.